Hey YouTube, it's Sean, bringing you back for more generator work. Alright, so this is what we've done. Bring it down here. It's running on its own tank. Alright, and we got a fuel filter and a gas shutoff. You can shut it off if we're going to let it sit for a long time. Let it run out of gas in the carburetor, and that'll prevent problems, okay? There's the gas tank. It's not very big. I imagine it holds 2.5, 3 gallons. I wish it held more, and maybe in the future I can find a bigger one, but that's what I could find. And what we're going to do next is wire it up for the power wires. Okay? We got our power wires right here. I'm going to put power over here, and our battery's going to be down there. I'm going to put the power here. Alright? And I've got the plug-in in paint right now. It's right there. It's just drying up. Okay? And it's running on its own power, guys. We'll start it up for you. It's running off its own gas tank now. There's no more, gas tank over here. No more dropping a tank in the yard and letting it run off of it. Now it's running off its own tank. There you go. Running good. Alright, we'll bring you back when we get that wired up. Okay, YouTube, it's Sean back here. Got an outlet right there. That's preliminary right now. I plan on putting probably a different one in there. We'll see what that one does. But anyway, it's 30 amps, got 2 plugs. Let's fire it up, see what our polarity is. Make sure that we wired it right. There is a checker right there. Let's see what we got. We'll be right back. Alright YouTube, I'm back. We got 2 orange lights. That means we're correct. Alright, so we got a good ground. Hot and cold is good. Excuse me, hot and neutral is good. Alright, so let's use this thing. Let's plug the welder in and try making a pass with it. What do you think? Be right back. Alright YouTube, it pulls good under a load. There you go. Now we got to put a battery on it. Yep, we got to put a battery on it. And I don't know how many of you guys know this about these Onans, but they have a remote start. That plug-in right there, shut it off. That plug-in right there, guys, is for remote start. In other words, you can run a wire wherever you want to start it. And that's what I plan on doing. So anyway, gas tank, power, gas shutoff, filter. Okay, we got an air cleaner, air filter, we got a good muffler. Alright, we'll bring you back when we get it ready for battery. And that way this thing could be self-sustained. Alright, take care guys. Remember, if you watch, thumbs up. It's about 105 out here right now, so I'm going in. Take care. Bye-bye.